Aji samla pola khuborti Indian Meteorological Department IMD khan hawa pani update di thake asapti rainfall or snowfall high altitude with thunderstorm and lightning across Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram aro Tripura state ti April 3 tarik tak hawa pani ahibole predict kuri dia ase. IMD lagar listi cyclone circulation tuli Assam state bra from grase itu karni north east state ti ahibole expect kurgina IMD khantu Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram aro Tripura state opor yellow watch jonai dia ase aro entire northeast 31st alert kuri dia ase. IMD khan la report ti March 1 to 28 Arunachal Pradesh rainfall of 101 millimeter 32% below normal of 149 millimeter Assam Meghalaya 42 mm Nagaland Manipur Mizoram aro Tripura state khanpi 25 millimeter 45% below normal inika record kugena thagya jonai dia ase. Isor moromte apni ami khantu iku bemar samar nohulipi iku duk digdar napagena khushibra Good Friday aro Easter Sunday mangibole rukha ase ulipi gor bahar laga situation hatsa pai thake asapti ja kali Easter conference karni ja thake atamti South Africa Limpopo province ti bus accident hatsa luk pai jagena 45 jon muri jaisha aro ekjon seriously jokhum pai jaisha kogena country transport department khan jonai dia ase. South Africa Broadcasting Corporation report ti accident hatsa ti bachagina thaka atuli 8 sal laga maki bacha ekjon thaksha aro airlifted kurdigena treatment rakhi thakar khobor dia ase aro hatsa ti passengers khan tu Gaborone capital city of neighboring country Botswana ti Easter conference karni charge ja thakshi ko ase. Khobor te crash hatsa toili Pahar mountain hill area te hojagina driver to control loss hoja karni 50 meter bridge phale giri jagina ju la jasha aro kunpa laga last to recognize kurbole napara hoja shokogena South Africa Broadcasting Corporation report dia ase. Khoborte North East India Petroleum Dealer Association khantu 48 hours petrol pump strike rakhibole notification logena jonai dia ase. Association khan la notification hesabti general meeting tuli Uzban Bazar Guwahati ti kotha kurlogena fesla kurlo anishna 30 of March 5 baji phujor surkugena date 1 phujor 5 baji takti 48 hours rakhibo kugena report dia ase. Report e itu decision loi thakya tu non enhancement or non revision dealer commission since 2017 bra kugena aha success kurbole para nai ku ase itu karni dealers khan la right violate kugena ja thakya issue ti trade kurbole digdar pa thakya mite oil companies khan ki letter address kugena Northeast India Petrol Dealer Association khan tu 48 hours ban kugena rakhibole gadam uthailo shiko ase. UN Human Rights Office jonai thakya sabti high TCTT sexual violence hatsa bishi hogena saza nadia case of rape and forced sexual relation with gang members aro country pitorti gang violence laga report bishi solve kubole napargena ja thakya United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights Office report dia ase. UN office sources ti country pitorte corruption inputin aro poor governance karni gang violence extra hogena democracy society collapse hoya ase aro itu sal eklati 1500 opor manukhan murai digena ja sal 4451 jon Haiti te murai digena ase aro ja hapta tepi arms gen khan macheti heavy battle country capital ti ulagena ja thaka report dia ase. Violence hatsa karni internal displacement approximately 3,13,900 opor manukhan ja sal December tak laga record ti displace kurlogena gen khan tu bacha khan bishi recruit kurgena kidnapping aro robberies khan bi bishi hogena ja thakya OHCHR khan testimony kale kurgena jonai dia ase. Khoborte itu hatsa laga report bahar ulai thakya tu ja 2 hafta akiti Ariel Henry Haiti Prime Minister bra resign kurbole announce kran mite bahar ulai jasha aro gen leaders khan tu jail phangai ulagina government office attack kuri Henry leadership hatabole attempt kuri thakan miti ko ase aro gen violence karni state of emergency declare kurina enforce kuri thakya ko ase.